Hi, I'm Reid, editor of the EdisonReport, and we are here at Light Pitch, Light and Building in Frankfurt, and I'm joined by Atsuo Kamijo. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
And thank you for joining us. What are you showing here?
Yeah, we are showing our latest spectrometer.
Okay.
Yeah, to measure lighting.
Right?
Yeah.
So tell us about it.
Yeah. This is Spectrometer C4000.
Okay.
And dedicated app, SEKONIC LD.
Okay.
So this device and your smartphone is connected via Bluetooth.
Okay.
And you can control the spectrometer from your smartphone or tablet. So now this device is connected to this tablet, and here plot data. This is the very new function. So you can use a photo of site or your floor plan drawing. And right now I take picture of here.
Right?
Like this.
Yes.
And okay.
Right?
And touch the place you want to measure. And place the device. And measure.
Okay. Okay.
Now measuring. And you can see all values and also graphs. CRI. TM30. And chromaticity. And save it.
And you've got it all, and you know exactly where it is.
Yeah, so all data is linked to that place. And no need for handwriting.
Okay. Looks like very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.